Is the 1999 Mazda Miata the most fun and cheapest car ever, or is it an overrated toy? Let's find out. What's up, guys? My name's Chris. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this beautiful 1999 Mazda Miata we got in our yard today. Let's go. So this is definitely the car you wanted back in 1999 in high school. Everybody wanted this car when it was in its prime. So as you can see, this beautiful Mazda has been through a lot, but it also has its perks. It's super compatible, very, very fun to drive with a go-kart feeling, I'll tell you that. Perfect distribution balance, feels connected to the road, definitely a lightweight. This one's definitely able to compete with most expensive cars turning corners. Honestly, it's simple, easy to fix if it's well maintained. It's a reliable vehicle. Parts are affordable, easy DIY repairs, top down, fun. For all you car lovers, car enthusiasts, cars and coffee lovers, here are your missing parts for your home project. We got a beautiful hood right here, just needs a little TLC. Look at these fenders, these wheels. I tell you, headlights over here need a little bit cleaning. The bumper's still intact. Windshield doesn't have a crack on it. These mirrors right here, you don't even find these anymore. However, the drop top needs a little bit love. So everything still looks pretty good. We got the bumper here, the trunk, we got the fuel door, the tail lamps, everything's still in condition. Just needs a little TLC. So it's definitely your ideal car right out of high school, but truthfully, it's not for big people, as you can see. And if you're tall, it's definitely not gonna work out for you. He definitely has a compact, small interior. Definitely no trunk space. You're not hauling a boat with this. Unfortunately, from factory, these suffer from the clutch. But once that goes out, that check engine light comes on, time to get to work. Unfortunately, due to the lightweight, it's not ideal in bad weather. It is loud on the highway though. AC problems can happen, but that's okay. We drop the top, roll the windows down, and let's go. So apart from it being fast, unfortunately, you only get about 22 to 25 miles to the gallon on the regular city road, maybe 27, 29 on the highway. In 1999, compared to a $150,000 Ferrari for only 20K, this was the buy. Compared to 1999, was it worth buying it in its prime or now? Regardless, we have the parts here you need for your project. Comment below if you want to see any of our other cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you out in the yard.